فبالله كم تستطب القروح ويبرأ جروح الكثير الجريح وينشط ذاك السقيم العليم وقد كان بالسقم دهرا طريق تقال العثار العظام به.
We do not exist in any other instant. Here in this dimension, you and I are meant to be. I have waited.
Salam everyone, good morning. So I was supposed to post a video yesterday for you guys, but yesterday when I came back home, I just got into packing and I just didn't vlog. So that's why I didn't post. I'm not posting today. So this is happening right now. Guys, it's snowing again. It is Wednesday and it's still snowing, guys. I can't make this stuff up. This week is gonna be so terrible for us. Oh Lord. It's still snowing. You can see the drops on my face. I don't know if it's visible because it's just small snowflakes. But I'm rushing to work, so I'll talk to you guys later. Hello everyone. So bro, I'm so tired of this snow. I can't even lie, bro. Like, and mind you, people took out time to shovel. And, oh God, it's back to like zero. At least this time it's going to be good. But tomorrow it's going to snow again. Hi. This week is not a good week, wallah. And today is Wednesday. Guys, remember when I was leaving the house this earlier, like an hour ago, I literally said it to you guys that it was snowing, but little. See. Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I know I have not posted the whole of last week, but I couldn't just vlog because there was too much going on. I didn't prepare anything and I was not even fasting, so fasting, assalamu alaikum. I was not even fasting, so it made more sense not to even record. But I'm back now. We are officially moved to our new apartment, but I just came back to my old apartment to make sure, I can't believe I'm saying old, but to make sure that everything is super clean. And so we get our security deposit back. Hey, I did one hell of a good job, child. I was the only person. My dear is at work, so I had to, take one for the team. And I surely did take one for the team, because there's a guy. He's like a handyman because it's a home, so we don't have a super, but we do have like a man that usually comes around to fix stuff for us. So we only have one problem, which is the door. We actually broke the door because we couldn't find our keys, so we broke the door. So we're trying to fix that. So when he came in, he was like, oh my God, here is so clean. I was like, thank you so much. But he's coming to fix the door right now for us. Yeah, and here's clean. This is Sadat's jacket. Sadat is actually packing today, so he's gonna leave today. But this is our room. I'm gonna show you my room because, oh my God, I can't believe this room. Guys, this is how empty this room looks right now. It looks so empty. Oh Lord, it's been a journey, like for real. This is our closet. Something so cute. But anyways, I wanted to show you guys, this is the reason why I'm even vlogging. So this is Ayat Kursi, and this was the first ever thing I bought, like an Islamic thing that I bought to make our whole house feel like a home. And now I can't even take it off because it's so far. So I'm gonna allow Shadat to do that part for me. But yeah, The kitchen is looking all clean, and yeah, the man was like, oh my god, you guys really did clean here so good. And he was also praising us. Oh, guys, this is what happened. We had to break this because we couldn't get in, we couldn't find our keys, but he's coming to fix this right now. But all in all, we actually did do our big one, because he was like, oh, I think because there was no kids here. So, and guys, this is my dear's machine, but guess what, my dear knows how to sew, but that babe never sews anything. I don't know why. And she even left the machine here. I hope she's not leaving it here because it's too heavy for me to take home. So, but tomorrow she's coming here to give the landlord the keys, so hopefully she's able to do that, inshallah, tomorrow. But yeah, this is why I made cooking vlogs for you guys. Like, I'm so sad, low-key. Like, this is where I cooked. Like, god, this oven, I baked a lot of stuff in here. I can't believe that. I'm getting emotional, but yeah, this is our entire place. Also, the fridge is a little bit empty. Okay, this one is super empty right now. And also, we do have a butter here. I don't know why my dear left this butter, but I can't take it home. I'm just gonna leave it. And this is also calamari, but it don't belong to us. It belongs to Sarah's friend. So yeah. And also, the fridge is super empty. It's packed, but it's just that stuff. It just is Ramadan food. But if he takes it out, the fridge is very clean. Make sure to clean the fridge. Yeah, and tell me you're Ghanaian without telling me you're Ghanaian. He has eggs, please. Anyways, that's all. So I'm going to my house now, and I'll see you guys later. Guys, call me Bob the Builder, because I'm building. I've been building for the past 1 hour just for this TV stand, Keke. That's a mass problem I may solve it. I'm so tired, bro. But at least we finished one. My dear is not doing anything. She just passes stuff. Won't come up for that. Make it do it. I'm so shocked. She swears by me. Gashina, you are literally spoiling the thing. I am kidding the gift touch care being here. Okay. Anyways, guys. I'm so tired. Hello everyone, Salam. I just got home not too long ago, and today we don't really have a lot to eat. Let's be fair, we don't have a lot to eat, so we are going to stick to the basic. To be honest, we are going to stick to the basic and just make like some light indomie. My dear is in the kitchen, and now, but we're about to make some quick indomie, and I'll get back to you guys. So basically, guys, my dad is telling me not to vlog for you guys. So anyways, guys, I wanted to show you this type of noodles that we are cooking. Oh, don't know sugar. So basically, I'm going to be showing you the type of noodles. So it's not like indomie we are cooking. This one is the American noodles that we have, but we are going to do it as like the way you feel it's like it's indomie, but it's not indomie. I'm lost of words because my head is hurting right now and I'm hungry. Let me not lie for you guys. So let me show you all the things that we'll put in, and then the noodles that we have, and then we'll show you how we will make our indomie. Okay. Shut up, bro. Shut up. You're doing too much. Okay, so we pour some curry powder in there, and then we pour oil too. This is my dear adding the pepper. She likes a lot of pepper, so she's probably gonna kill us. No. Guys, let me show you the noodles. Yeah, so we have this one, this flavor. This is the chicken noodle, chicken flavor, right? But this is also roast chicken flavor. This actually tastes so good. Now my dear is adding the, what do I call it? Title sardine. And then we have this noodles too. It's all the same brand. They have the same brand. This is the chili flavor as well, because you know we gotta get a spice. And I'm telling y'all guys, this, when you add all these spices to it and you add some salt and this tastes so good. No salt. Oh, and yeah, sorry, my bad. I said salt, but babe said no salt, so no salt. Why are you mentioning people in my vlog? Shit. Anyways, yeah. We will show you guys the preparation.
Oh, half of mine. Now you know.
Dadek's on everything.
What is that guy? Why you doing it? Why you doing that?
Why did you? Nade. So. I made stop it.
Oh, okay, go on now.
Okay, guys, this is the plate. Yup. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a week. I didn't post anything, and tomorrow is actually Thursday, and I'm gonna be posting tomorrow Thursday, exactly 6 p.m. Ghanaian time. That's when I'll be posting the video. So guys, I know that you'll be like, oh, West Coast, guys, I didn't know moving was this stressful. Honestly speaking, moving plus work, oh Lord, because we had to move on Saturday. Yeah, we had to move on Saturday, but we moved like around 7:30ish after breaking our fast, and we had to move everything. And Sunday, Maria had to go to work. It was so tiring. Like, I can't lie, it was so tiring, guys. I swear to God. And then after that, Sunday, I had to go back to the house to go super clean the house, which I'll show like a couple of videos. You guys will see a couple of videos in the vlog where I'll show you guys how we left the place and everything. And then when we came back, I have been working. I've been going to work from Monday to Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, and today I decided to post a vlog for you guys, because I did tell you guys in the last episode that the last couple of clips, that I was not fasting last week. So I didn't really cook anything, to be honest, because we were also moving, so I was really packing. But I'm back fasting, so I can show you guys what I eat for Iftar. That's the point of the whole vlog, right? So anyways, today guys, I have the most weirded combo ever. So the thing is that we don't have a lot of like groceries right now. I think you saw the last time we even made noodles, because we don't have any groceries and we are super busy. The only time we can get to go get groceries, which will also be a vlog, is on Saturday. And guys, like you guys can see this pimple, it is destroying my face. I hate that there's a pimple right there. But anyways, I think it's almost about to be Iftar time. Anyways, I just got back from work. I've been chilling in bed, kind of being lazy a little bit. But I'm about to make the most weirdest food combination I've ever even eaten. So I'm about to make koose, right? But what are we pairing the koose with? That's the problem. We are actually going to be eating koose and Farina. Yes. I know Farina is like an American brand, but it is basically like, if I'm going to compare it with any type of food in Ghana, I'll definitely say Ekwebim. It tastes like Ekwebim. I won't lie. I feel like it tastes like Ekwebim, but my dear's brother said that tasted it and was like, it's not giving that vibe. Usman too said, it's not giving that vibe. And Mardia swears that even you can't drink Farina with fruits. She swears by it. So me right now coming to make koose with Farina is like crazy. But there's no food. There's no food. I could make buffaloes, but the problem with buffaloes is that it's not gonna rise. It's not gonna rise, like, because we just moved. The apartment is a little bit cold because we're in the basement, so we actually live in the basement, so it's a little bit cold in the basement, I can lie. So we are still finding, like, our way around things. So right now I don't think that, like, I want to make buffaloes because it's not gonna be like, there's not a lot of heat that is gonna hold on to the buffalo, to be honest with you, to make the buffaloes, right? So cocoa, farina, and koose, is such a weird combination, I'm not gonna lie, but that's what we have right now, and that's what we're gonna do. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you the process of making my koose, how I make my koose, and I'll show you the farina and how it turns out. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share, and also, don't worry, on Saturday the house is really messed up. We've not unpacked anything because we're still working. We just living it up, but we've actually been building stuff. This is actually our shoe rack right there, and we also built, like, the table, the TV stand, and actually our cute centerpiece. And we also built, like, the rack, the kitchen rack for the dishes. That's all we've done so far. This microwave, the microwave you're seeing there, belongs to the landlord. We're actually taking back his microwave to him because we already have our own microwave, so we want to give back his microwave to him so we can get more space. And also, we have 2 televisions, guys, 2 televisions. So my dear's dad, God bless his heart, he gave us this television right here. And then my dear's brother Sadat also has a television, but the thing is that Sadat is going back to Ghana for some important stuff, and so we had to bring his television to our new apartment. So we have 2 televisions. So we're gonna put one inside our room, and we're gonna bring one inside our living room, which I'm sitting right here. And so yeah, that's it. Nothing really happened. I think Saturday is the day that, and also our couch is not here yet, and I don't know when it will be here because they have stopped giving me updates since Saturday. But it's with the carrier, it's with FedEx right now, but FedEx has not given me an update still, and I'm like, damn, like, what are you waiting for? But anyways, yes, but apart from that, we're chilling, we're good. Yeah. And also, guys, I wanted to tell you guys something. So today is Ramadan day 15, and I just was scrolling on TikTok, and I'd seen that a lot of people have started buying that abaya, talking about how abaya is very expensive and everything. And I'm just sitting here like, damn, I didn't even think of Eid outfit. I don't know. I think, like, when you get used to this type of system, you just don't get excited for Eid anymore. It is very boring. Me, I think I'm more excited to see, like, people during the Eid prayer, after the Eid prayer, and that's it. Because coming back home is very boring. Like, you just sleep and whatnot. So yeah. So me, I'll not put my heart into it like that, I beg. It is a very wonderful celebration, of course, but when you're alone, it does not feel like it. It just feels like a regular Tuesday, and that's what it feels like me. So right now, I'm just looking for an abaya on TikTok shop, honestly speaking. Just a simple, regular abaya. Partly, like, guys, oh my God. My sister and I were checking abayas today, and I almost cried because let me tell you something. Last week, I think I saw this cute abaya, and I sent the picture to my sister. I was like, "Babes, check it out. What do you think?" She's like, "Oh, it's cute. Whatever." Guys, I seen 3 people wear the same abaya. I'm like, damn. One thing about me, I've always, like, been like the abaya girl. I've always been, like, on top of it. Like, every Eid, I want to be on top. I want to show out. I want to show off, all of that. But I beg you right now. I don't know whether it's maturity or what, but it just comes with simplicity, for real. Like, you just want to wear something simple but unique in a way. So I'm still checking on TikTok shop to see if I can find something. Honestly speaking, I would like people. I know everybody be like, "Oh, Timu is so bad." I might I might buy from Timu, Shein, anything. Just that I hope it comes on time. I don't even know at this point, but it is what it is. I'm not stressing. I'm not doing anything. I'm just chilling. So yeah, that's all. So let's get into the koose and Farina. And you guys, please do not laugh at me because I make cocoa and Farina and koose, please. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And today's shout out is going to her mama, my little sister. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and sharing my video. And see you in the next video. Bye.
الله يعلم ما نشكو من الألم وما نعانيه من ضيق ومن سقم لكن لنا فيه ظن لا يخيبنا حاشاه أن ترجع الأيدي بلا نعم كم جاد من فضله قبل السؤال وكم أعطى وأغنى بمحض الجود والكرم الله يعلم ما نشكو من الألم وما نعانيه من ضيق ومن سقم الله يعلم ما نشكو من الألم وما نعانيه من ضيق ومن سقم لكن لنا فيه ظن لا يخيبنا حاشاه أن ترجع الأيدي بلا نعم كم جاد من فضله قبل السؤال وكم أعطى وأغنى بمحض الجود والكرم الله يعلم ما نشكو من الألم وما نعانيه من ضيق ومن سقم الله يعلم ما نشكو من الألم وما نعانيه من ضيق ومن سقم لكن لنا فيه ظن لا يخيبنا حاشاه أن ترجع الأيدي بلا نعم كم جاد من فضله قبل السؤال وكم أعطى وأغنى بمحض الجود والكرم الله يعلم ما نشكو من الألم وما نعانيه من ضيق ومن سقم الله يعلم ما نشكو من الألم وما نعانيه من ضيق ومن سقم لكن لنا فيه ظن لا يخيبنا حاشاه أن ترجع الأيدي بلا نعم كم جاد من فضله قبل السؤال وكم أعطى وأغنى بمحض الجود والكرم الله يعلم ما نشكو من الألم وما نعانيه من ضيق ومن سقم الله يعلم ما نشكو من الألم وما نعانيه من ضيق ومن سقم لكن لنا فيه ظن لا يخيبنا حاشاه أن ترجع الأيدي بلا نعم كم جاد من فضله قبل السؤال وكم أعطى وأغنى بمحض والكرم الله يعلم ما نشكو من الألم وما نعانيه من ضيق ومن سقم الله يعلم ما نشكو من الألم وما نعانيه من ضيق ومن سقم لكن لنا فيه ظن لا يخيبنا حاشاه أن ترجع الأيدي بلا نعم كم جاد من فضله قبل السؤال وكم أعطى وأغنى بمحض الجود والكرم الله يعلم ما نشكو من الألم وما نعانيه من ضيق ومن سقم الله يعلم ما نشكو من الألم وما نعانيه من ضيق ومن سقم لكن لنا فيه ظن لا يخيبنا حاشاه أن ترجع الأيدي بلا نعم كم جاد من فضله قبل السؤال وكم أعطى وأغنى بمحض الجود والكرم الله يعلم ما نشكو من الألم وما نعانيه من ضيق ومن سقم الله يعلم ما نشكو من الألم وما نعانيه من ضيق ومن سقم لكن لنا فيه ظن لا يخيبنا حاشاه أن ترجع الأيدي بلا نعم كم جاد من فضله قبل السؤال وكم أعطى وأغنى بمحض الجود والكرم الله يعلم ما نشكو من الألم وما نعانيه من ضيق ومن سقم الله يعلم ما نشكو من الألم وما نعانيه من ضيق ومن سقم لكن لنا فيه ظن لا يخيبنا حاشاه أن ترجع الأيدي بلا نعم كم جاد من فضله قبل السؤال
This shit too decent. Scale of 1 to 10, she a 10 piece. Usually I'm the one with the groovies. Shawty so bad.